Hey guys, so today's video is simultaneous equations, and what we have are two equations, and what we want to do is try to find the values of x and y, and we do that through simultaneous equations. So the first thing we have to do is to eliminate x or y. In this situation, it would be easier to eliminate x because the coefficient in front of x, i.e. 2, is the same. So we have 2x here, and we want to get rid of it. So you would do minus, and we minus here, and we minus here. So 2x minus 2x. So when we minus down. 2x minus 2x gives you nothing. So we've eliminated x in order to find out y. 4y minus y gives you 3y. 10 minus 4 gives you 6. So we have a simple equation where we can find out what y is. So since 3 is multiplying y, the opposite is divide. So we would do y equals 6 divided by 3, or y equals 2. And now we have to find out what x is by substituting y. And we do that by either entering it into equation 1, or we can do it by entering into equation 2. So it would be easier to enter into equation 2. And so we have 2x plus y is equal to 4. We know what y is since we've just worked it out. So we have 2x plus 2 is equal to 4. And this becomes a simple equation. Take 2 over. 2x is equal to 4 minus 2. 2x is equal to 2. X equals 2 divided by 2. X equals 1. And that's our first equation done. So we find out that y is equal to 2 and x is equal to 1. We can even check this by substituting back into this equation. So we can do 2x plus y is equal to 4. So 2 times 1 plus 2 is equal to 4. That's how we know we've done it right. Okay guys, so for the second equation, what we want to do is exactly the same procedure that we took for the first one. But this time we have different coefficients in front of x. So what we want to do is we need to make the coefficients the same. So we do this by taking this coefficient and multiplying it by the top equation, times by 2, times by 2, times by 2. And we take the coefficient of the top equation for x and we multiply it by the bottom equation, times by 3, times by 3, times by 3. So what we're doing here is basically making the coefficients of x the same so that we can eliminate. If we eliminate one of them, x or y, then it allows us to figure out the other unknown. So we have 6x plus 10y is equal to 2. And on the bottom equation, we have 6x minus 9y is equal to 21. As you can see, the x's are the same. So in order to eliminate and get rid of x, you either have to plus or minus. So since they are both positive, what we do is we minus. So 6x minus 6x would eliminate. And we minus here and we minus here. So we have, this cancels out, 10y minus 9y. So when two minuses are together, they become a positive. So we have 19y is equal to 2 minus 21, which gives us minus 19. So this allows us to figure out what the value of y is. So we have minus 19 on the top and 19 at the bottom, which gives us minus 1. And we use this to substitute into one of our equations, whether it's the top or the bottom, in order to find out what x is. So I'm going to use the top equation. 5 times minus 1 which is the value of y, is equal to 1. So 3x minus 5 is equal to 1. That becomes a simple linear equation which we can solve. So what we do is we take minus 5 over, that gives us 1 plus 5, so 3x is equal to 6. X equals 6 divided by 3, x is equal to 2. It really doesn't matter what equation you choose to substitute in, preferably the easier one. Both answers will give you the same if you've done it correctly.